We're at Snetterton Motorbikes. Yeah.
Racing is immense.
And I'd like to say, well, I'm here with my favourite nephew, but he's not.
Where is he?
Yeah. So, what are we doing here, Michael? What is it? Explain Snetterton to us and what you're doing here and everything else.
Well, yeah, so this is the No Limits racing round 1. We are, I'm racing in the CB 500s this year. So this is our first race. We've just done qualifying. Did not too bad, got 19th on grid, third in my class. So I'm in the newcomers because it's my first race.
So I think that's
CB 500s, yeah. CB 500s, retro 400s as well.
Yeah.
So you've got 400s in there as well.
So you've done your qualifying and the first race is this afternoon.
Yeah. First race is about 1 o'clock, I think, and then we've got 3 races tomorrow.
Yeah, but it was holding you up in the corners this morning.
One of the 400s was, fly past me on the straights, but slow in the corners, kept backing me up. So, yeah, but I did not too bad. I'm quite happy with I've come. I've come mid-pack, about 19th, and again, there's 11 of us in class, so I'm third in class at the moment. So I'm quite happy with that. I can go quicker. But obviously, it's just shaving off times where I need to go.
What about the wind? Because it's really, really windy today.
Yeah, it's really windy. It's cold.
You can notice it. So on a bike.
Yeah,
especially I suppose.
Yeah, coming around Coram. Yeah, it's just it's pushing you off. It's pushing me across all the time. It's actually helping me a little bit because it's pushing me in. So just let your leg out and it pulls you across. So it's not too bad. I'm not mind it.
Yeah.
I'm quite light, so it doesn't really affect me too much.
I'm quite light.
Yeah.
So you're looking forward to the race?
Yeah.
You're just going to today just take it easy, get into the first race, and then if you pick up.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Again, it's my first time, so I said I've only literally done one practice start just as we finished qualifying then, and I maybe pulled a slight little wheelie. So I don't want to do that on the start, but I'll take that.
Air time, do we?
No. And obviously the other guys there are doing the endurance as well on the Triumph. So
which you're going to have a look at in a minute.
Yeah. So if you want to follow us, we're on TSL Timings as well. If you go on Google TSL Timings, you can see the live lap by lap there. And obviously follow us on Facebook, ATO Racing.
Yeah.
Good lot. Like to and I'll say thanks to all my sponsors. 1-to-1 motorbike training. Just get that in there. Told me I've got to mention him.
Minis and Motorbikes, obviously.
And obviously Minis and Motorbikes, Got to watch the top #1 YouTube channel there,
Yeah, right then. We'll follow you down at the garages, number 12, and we'll have a bit of that Triumph.
Yeah, ready for qualifying.
With the dad's favourite, Rachel Stacey. We're at Snetterton again, funny enough, but this time it's serious stuff, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
What are we doing this time?
So, still doing the CBs, having a dabble in that, but I've been pulled into an endurance race with one of my CB colleagues and Ian as well. So we're doing 2 or 3 rounds of the endurance.
Because I thought it was an endurance with just one bike, so you all share the same bike, but you usually actually...
So Ben's got his own bike, he's on an R6, and then me and Ian are on the Triumph.
Yeah, Triumph. What CC is the Triumph?
765,
They're pretty quick though, aren't they?
It's nice.
Yeah. So you're doing the 500s and that today, so you've just done your quali.
Yeah.
All 3 of you had to qualify, obviously.
Yeah, that's right.
So how do you feel about that? How did you get on?
Not as good as I wanted to do, but we've still got the race ahead of us, so...
yeah, but you went out first, so was it the right thing to do, you think, in the end?
I don't know. Sometimes you want to get a clear lap, don't you? And
you got fresh tyres in, you see. You got them with the stickers taken off. So you got a race. The endurance is this afternoon, isn't it?
Yeah,
Because we're here on a Saturday. We're only here on a Saturday, I'm afraid.
Yeah.
So you got a race this afternoon. What time's that?
So we've got CBs just before lunch.
Yeah.
Got an interval, and then we're endurance this afternoon for 3 hours.
3 hours. So can you go on and off of that as many times?
Yeah. So basically, every rider has to do a minimum of half an hour, and then you can just split it however you like. So
will you do longer stints to bring you back through?
Yeah, we'll probably do half-hour stints, and then just see how it goes, and then depending on how we're getting on. We're sitting sixth in class at the minute, so
that's all right. Yes, you're all right. You're all right. So, right, we're waiting to see what happens this afternoon, then, Bob. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Right, so that's Snetterton then for another. Well, it's the beginning of the season, isn't it?
Yeah,
I know what we're going to do. We're going to catch up with them in the middle of the season.
In the middle of the season, and then do the end of the season like we do with the minis.
Okie dokie. All right, so that all went well. Apart from the old weather, a bit of rain, nearly got wet.
Hail and all.
I know. It's ridiculous. A bit cold, but anyway, we had a nice
bit cold. I mean, my nose didn't stop running all chuffing day.
Well, never mind, eh? Anyway, you better do the old.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a lovely comment and a thumbs up. It'd be very much appreciated. Thank you so much. Au revoir.
He did that well, didn't he? You did that well.
Pump it the right way.
Hold it the right way. You fart. I had a curry last night and I dared to fart. 8 o'clock. Cheers to you.
What's that?
Tuesdays 8 o'clock. Don't forget Minis and Motorbikes.
Yeah.
No, you got to. What are you doing?